The Lazy Bird. There is a little bird called Hen Hao in the forest. It has beautiful feathers, but it is very lazy. In autumn, all animals are busy preparing for winter. Squirrels store nuts, and sparrows build warm nests. Hen Hao, let's build a nest together, the sparrows call. But Hen Hao says, "It's still warm today. I'll do it tomorrow." Day by day, Hen Hao plays and sings all day. It never starts building the nest. Winter comes at last. Every night, cold wind howls and snowflakes fly. Hen Hao shivers in the tree, teeth